Hey everyone, in this video we are going to dive into sharing your webcam or sharing your screen within Frame. This can be a powerful way to kind of bring yourself into a frame to your audience in a bit of a different way than your avatar. And of course, sharing your screen opens up lots of interesting possibilities for sharing content. So to start with, there'll be one of these streaming screens sorry, in each frame environment. In the small gallery or this large gallery or in others, somewhere in the space you'll see one of these here automatically. And if you are the creator of the frame, or if you have edit permissions for the frame, then you'll see these two buttons for share camera and share screen. Now the browser will use whatever webcam is set at the browser level as the default camera device. I know that in Chrome this can be set, there's a little camera icon in the URL bar to the right, and if you click on that you can see what camera is set as the default. I've already got my webcam set as the right default camera, so I'm just going to click share camera, and I know that it'll just automatically feed in that camera. Here I am. So fair enough on that, and then if you press share screen, it will ask you whether you want quality mode or performance mode. Now, performance is good if you're showing something that it has movement, like an animated website or a video, and you want it not to be laggy. But quality is good if you want the actual quality of, sort of the resolution of your stream to be a bit higher. So if you're looking at sort of static content, maybe a presentation where there's not much motion involved, quality might be the way to go. Now, once you select one, it'll ask you what screen you want to share, or an application window, or a Chrome tab. So pick what you want, and then you will be good to go. I'll just go ahead and share this to-do list. Okay, there it is. Now you'll see that you do actually have to get up pretty close to kind of really read it. So we are going to work on better features for this to help you get visibility on the screen, but for now you just sort of have to get close to it. Now it gets better though, so that's just one screen, right, that one person can use at one time. But in your add to this frame dropdown, there's an asset type for a streaming screen. You can add in more streaming screens, which is pretty cool. And then in edit mode, just like any other asset, you can click and drag it to move it around. You can even scale it up if you want to go big time with a big massive video, and you can rotate it. Now, when you're in edit mode, it'll let you know that you can't start streaming because you're still in edit mode. So to bring up those buttons to share webcam or share screen, you've got to turn off edit mode, and then you'll be good to go. This is a really massive screen, so it's maybe not practical, so I'll bring it down just a bit. But yeah, you can bring in as many different screens as you want. You can set up a frame to, have 10 different screens on the wall that your guests can use to bring in their webcam or share their screen. You could share your webcam and share your screen at the same time, which is pretty cool. Okay, so good luck. Let us know if you have any issues with sharing your webcam or sharing your screen.